Peak oil is the idea that at a certain point we will have used half of our oil, half of the oil on the earth. And if we continue to use oil at the same rate, we will be running out in very short order. At which point there will be resource wars between countries. Mass shortages, starvation. You know, plastics are made from oil. How much of our society is plastic? Now, this has happened before to human beings. Case in point, Easter Island. Perhaps the most famous monolithic site in the world. And for those of you who do not know what happened on Easter Island, the island once supported a large population, but they used up all the wood on the island, and then their population crashed to a fraction of its former size. And in the end, they too warred between themselves for resources. Humans are living organisms, and there's no way we can avoid the fate of all living organisms. We consider ourselves special because we are self-aware, because we know that we exist, because of our beliefs in God. But in the end, there is no way we can escape the fate that befalls all groups of living organisms all throughout history. A species is born and it rises, and then it falls and dies out. That's the history of the whole planet. How you doing with the mosquitoes? At its most basic level, it can be understood in terms of bacteria in a petri dish. The bacteria feed upon the agar, so benevolently provided them by our scientist experimenters. The bacteria population increases in growth exponentially until they use up all the food, and then the entire colony dies. Just like the colony on Easter Island. That is peak oil. I've never done a video about peak oil before, but I have covered survival in times of strife. Please join me now in this next video for some key insights on survival.